Question number 8. Find a point on the curve. Find point on curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which tangent is parallel to chord, at which tangent is parallel to chord, joining points दिए हुए chord के joining points 2, 0 and 4, 4. 2, 0 and 4, 4. 2, 0 and 4, 4. Now, in this question, we see that tangent is parallel to curve. Tangent is parallel to chord, like this. This is a chord AB, and this is a tangent. These are parallel. This is parallel. Now, when tangent is parallel to chord, the condition is when tangent is parallel to chord implies slope of tangent is equal to slope of chord. So what is slope of tangent? dy by dx. Slope of tangent dy by dx is equal to, at point x1 y1 then the slope of tangent is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. This is slope of tangent. And slope of chord, you know that it is denoted by m. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. दो पॉइंट से पास होने वाली लाइन का स्लोप यही होता है. So it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 2, यानी कि 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Now these two put in equation 1, we get slope of tangent 2x minus 2 and slope of chord is equal to 2. This will cut and this is 1. So x minus 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3. So इसको किस में रख देंगे? Point put in curve, you will get y point. Put in curve में रख दीजिए y is equal to 3 minus 2 का whole square, means it is y is equal to 3 minus 2, it means 1 का whole square is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. तो point क्या आ गए? 3, 1.